Reptiles regrow teeth forever. Sharks have 50 sets. Why do we get 2? Almost every animal with a backbone can regrow lost teeth. Sharks shed and replace them every 2 weeks. Crocodiles cycle through 3,000 teeth in a lifetime. But mammals, including you, get exactly 2 sets. Baby teeth, then adult teeth, and that's it. Lose one as an adult, it's gone forever. The reason is one specific evolutionary trait. To understand why mammals are weird, look at every other animal with teeth. Almost all of them are polyphyodonts, meaning they replace teeth continuously throughout their entire lives. Sharks are the famous example. They have rows of teeth queued up behind the front row, conveyor belt style, and a new tooth rotates forward every couple of weeks. Over a lifetime, a shark can grow over 50,000 teeth. Crocodiles work the same way, cycling through 3,000 teeth across decades. Even most fish, reptiles, and amphibians keep replacing teeth indefinitely. The reason they can is that their teeth are simple. Reptile teeth are mostly identical pegs, same shape, same size, same single point. They're held in the jaw by a flexible ligament, not fused to the bone. When one falls out, the dental lamina, a strip of stem cells in the gum, just makes another one and slides it into place. No precise fit required. No bite alignment needed. The replacement is automatic because the teeth don't have to work as a coordinated set. Around 200 million years ago, early mammals did something no reptile had done before. They fused their teeth directly into the jawbone, in deep sockets, anchored by mineralized cement. And then they made every tooth a different shape. Incisors for cutting, canines for piercing, premolars and molars for grinding. This is called heterodonty, different shaped teeth working as a team. The advantage was huge. A reptile can only swallow chunks whole, then wait days for digestion. A mammal can chew. Chewing breaks food into a paste before it ever reaches the stomach, which means faster digestion, more calories absorbed, and enough energy to stay warm-blooded around the clock. But chewing only works if the teeth mesh perfectly. Top molars have to align with bottom molars within a fraction of a millimeter every single bite. That precision needs the teeth locked in place. And once you lock them in, you can't easily swap one out without misaligning the whole set. The trade-off was made: precision and power instead of replacement. So why 2 sets and not just one? Because mammals have a head size problem. A baby's jaw is tiny. An adult's jaw is much bigger. If you grew adult-sized teeth at birth, they wouldn't fit. If you grew baby-sized teeth and kept them forever, they'd be useless once your jaw doubled in size. Evolution's solution was a single, one-time swap. The first set, 20 small deciduous teeth, fits a child's jaw and lasts about 10 years. Underneath them, hidden in the bone, the adult teeth are already forming. As the jaw grows, the adult teeth push the baby teeth out and slide into place. The dental lamina then dissolves. The stem cell line that makes new teeth shuts down permanently. That's why you only get 2 sets. The biological factory closes after the second batch. And the math is elegant. 2 sets of fused, precisely aligned teeth deliver chewing power for an 80-year mammal lifespan, which is all evolution needed. The trade-off was made 200 million years ago, and we've been living with it ever since. That's why we get 2 sets of teeth. A fused jaw bought us chewing power and cost us replacement. Subscribe to Curious Science for more mechanism-first evolution stories. Tomorrow, why flamingos are pink and how brine shrimp carotenoids pass straight into the feathers.